Hey guys, TechBerto here. Welcome to the channel. Are you looking for a dash cam that blends seamlessly with your vehicle and looks like it came straight from the factory? If so, let's get started. Today, we will be installing this FITCAMX 4K dash cam that is designed specifically for the Honda Odyssey from 2021 to 2026. This unit was provided by FITCAMX for testing and review. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the small box, we have a trim removal tool. We have also a card reader for transferring your footage to the computer. We have this Y cable to supply power to the dashcam. Now, let's take a look what's inside this big box. We have a user manual. We get this flexible phone holder. Next, we get this extension cable for the rear camera with plug-and-play connectors. We have also the rear camera which records in 1080p and can cover a 140-degree view. And we get few cable clips for cable management. And now we have the front camera assembly. This camera records in stunning 4K resolution using a wide-angle lens that captures more of the road ahead. It also includes a 64 GB micro SD card and can support up to 256 GB micro SD card. The dashcam starts recording when you start your car. During recording, a short press to the power button will stop the recording, and if you press again, it will resume the recording. While the dashcam is recording, quickly press the camera button to lock and protect the current video clip. And that's it, and let's do the installation. Alright, now we will install the dashcam. First, remove the plastic cover behind the mirror using the trim removal tool. Pry it gently until it pops out of place. Then carefully remove the cover. Now remove the larger plastic cover behind the rear view mirror. Gently pry one side and work your way around the edges until the cover pops free. Let's remove the overhead console. Start by opening the sunglasses compartment and removing the two screws inside. Next, remove the overhead lights covers. Then remove the remaining two screws. Remove it carefully so that it will not break the locking clips. Now remove the two remaining screws. Next, run the dashcam cables into the overhead console. Reinstall the larger plastic cover, align it properly, then press firmly around the edges until it clicks securely into place. Now, snap the FITCAMX front camera assembly into place. Press it firmly until you hear it click. Then make sure it's securely locked in place. Next, we connect the Y cable to the white connector from the overhead console. Then connect the camera connector to the Y cable and make sure it is properly connected. Now run the rear camera cable through the overhead console, then plug in the connectors. Make sure they are connected properly. Let's reinstall the overhead console. Connect all the connectors back to their correct location. Then reinstall all the screws. Finally, snap the overhead lights covers back into place. Now route the rear camera cable along the headliner until you reach the back of the car. Alright, using a trim removal tool, remove the trim panels from the tailgate. Remove them one by one following the numbered order. Once the panels are removed, Insert a long plastic zip tie through the opening until it reaches inside the cabin. Now, tape the zip tie and the rear camera cable together, then gently pull it through. Next, reinstall the hinge cover, then reinstall the side frame trim cover, and don't forget to return the plastic lock, then run the rear camera cable through the holes. Now clean the rear glass, then attach the camera in the center position. Then align the viewing angle. Alright, now tuck the excess cable into the opening and snap the trim panel back into place. And that's it, the installation is complete. Next, download the FITCAMX application on your phone. It is available for both iPhone and Android. Then start your car so the dashcam powers on. Then open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for the network called car dashcam. Then enter the default password. Alright, now we're connected. Now, go back to the FITCAMX application and connect it to the camera. There you have it. You can see now the live view. Use this icon to switch from the front camera to the rear camera, and tap this icon to have a full screen view. Tap this icon to see the rear view and full screen. Tapping this icon will mute or unmute the microphone. Tap this icon and stop the recording. Then tap again to restart. And tapping this icon takes a snapshot of the current view. And tapping this icon will show all your recordings. In the camera files, you will see loop recordings, snapshots, lock clips, and parking videos. Now, let's go to the camera settings. Here, you can turn on or off the sound recording. Set the video resolution to 4K. Adjust the loop recording time. Toggle the timestamp and the collision detection settings. And that's it. After installing it, I really like this dashcam. The factory look, the best part. No wire, nothing in the way. The plug and play harness made the install super easy. Video quality is great. The app is so simple to use. And if you want the parking mode, you will need the hardware kit. Overall, it's a solid OEM style upgrade for the Odyssey. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechBerto Electronics. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.